On today's body cam, we're checking out police humiliates shoplifter after she ignores Walmart ban.
I don't understand why. Why is that touching me?
Stop resisting.
When police are called to confront this Walmart shoplifter, her attitude changes fast until suddenly the fake tears begin.
I'm confused. I didn't do anything wrong.
All right. Thank you.
I got a son to make it, so I didn't do anything wrong. I don't know what they're talking about. I was never banned from here. Oh my God, I didn't do anything wrong. I'm just here shopping to feed my son.
All right, real quick. What's your name?
Sierra.
Sierra? Okay. It sounds like you have an unserved order of protection, so we got to get that taken care of, okay?
I didn't do anything wrong. I'm confused.
Okay.
Damn, and she got an order of protection. You must not be pleasant to be around.
So it sounds like you've been trespassed from previous Walmarts, and they put it nationwide, meaning you can't go to any Walmart. Have you been trespassed from another Walmart before?
No.
No? Okay, could you tell me why it's entered in their system then?
I don't know. Someone probably used me or something. I don't know. I've never been banned.
Okay. That's what they have on their computer, so that's what we're here for. It sounds like you have an unserved order protection, so we got to get that taken care of, get you some paperwork, okay?
I've never been banned. Exactly. Like, I don't get
I'll take it.
it.
It's just entered.
They said, perfect. We've been looking for you for this order of protection anyways. Let's kill two birds in one stone.
In our system.
Yeah, that's...
The only thing is the order protection.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. I'll ask once the last one gets back. Someone say they were coming with you.
If I can't come back, I get that.
Someone say they were coming with the form.
Yeah. Eight is coming.
If I can't come back, I get that, but they never told me
Real
that.
quick, Sierra.
If I would have never came here.
Can I explain something to you real quick? So it looks like it's nationwide. So we're gonna.
I can never go to Walmart again. Like, this is what I thought.
Right. So you're gonna be trespassed from this Walmart as well. So you do have an unserved order protection. We got to get you the paperwork for that. And then once we do all that, it sounds like after that you're going to be free to go. But we do have to get all the paperwork sorted. It's going to take a little bit of time.
So I can't shop at any Walmart. Is what you guys are saying.
That's what it sounds like, yeah.
And that's something they've enacted.
I mean, they have your picture flagged in all Walmarts, but it's you. Janetta Bennett?
No. Sierra.
How do you spell it?
Cierra.
Who's Janetta Bennett?
don't-
You have no. You tell me you have nothing with your name on it.
Nothing.
Show
I
me
don't have
something in your-
anything. I don't have anything. I have all my money. I don't have
Okay,
nothing.
you have
Hey,
nothing
Sierra.
with your name on it.
Nothing. Just my money. Nothing.
So you just turned something simple into a whole ordeal because you gave these officers the wrong name, man. The lady said, we just got to get this paperwork done. And, it's going to be cite and release. You're going to be free to go home. But now you saying that your name is Sierra when something not adding up.
I have nothing. I don't have to lie.
Your friend mentioned something about the Montgomery location. Can you tell me what happened there?
Yeah, but they just walked up on us and told us, oh, you guys can't be here. That same thing happened there. I don't understand what's going on, but they never told me I couldn't come here.
Okay.
That's why I said I've been banned, but not like, I don't know why. It was no
Give me a
reason. They
second.
just came up to me.
Okay, we got called here. You got called here for the trespass. We're trying to figure everything out, okay? It looks like it's your picture on there. It's not the same first name, though. What was the first name?
Here it says Chinetta.
Janetta. Do you have anyone in your family by that name? Do you know anyone by that name?
No.
Have you given that name before?
No.
I'm not trying to judge. We're just trying to figure out what's going on with this.
I don't know. Maybe they got it mixed up. I don't know. Like, I don't know. Like, I don't know what to tell you guys. Like, I've never been banned from here.
So
Let's start with the truth.
listen. So that's what we're looking into. Okay, we're verifying everything. We're taking in everything you told us. Okay, they told us one thing. You're telling us that we're just comparing. Okay, that's all we're doing. All right, we're not on anybody's side here. We're not against you. We're not for you. We're not against them. We're not for them. We're just trying to understand and make sure. Okay.
Excuse me?
You know your ID number by heart, your driver's license number, ID number. Some people do. I don't, but some people for some reason do. And after I get all
I don't know.
I do.
What's that?
This is my mom.
Go
Mom,
ahead.
they don't believe me. They don't understand. My name is Sierra. They're trying to tell me that shit. That's why I said, can I just be honest? When I went to Walmart and they came up to me and stuff, I told them that it was my sister so that I wouldn't get banned, but I don't know what for. Like, I don't know.
Okay, you need.
So you gave them your sister's name this last time.
Before last time, I got in trouble for it, so I didn't like.
We're trying to figure out what's going on right now.
What's your sister's name?
Shanita.
Shanita? Okay.
Mom, could you tell them my name,
Okay.
my birthday, and everything?
It's okay. We don't need to talk to her right now.
Why do it matter if you're not banned from there?
Hey, buddy.
Why do it? They came up to me out of nowhere saying I'm banned. I don't understand why you guys think that's not fair. How am I not able to go to every Walmart because of a stupid incident?
What's not fair is you're using your sister's name and name. We don't have no idea.
I know I got in trouble for that.
So understand from our perspective, we don't know you from right. We never met you before. So when we're getting different names, and they have all this information here on the.
I was just.
Okay. So just relax. It'll be okay.
I'm sending it to you then.
I don't understand what I did wrong. I'm being honest with you guys.
Sarah, we've explained what's going
I
on.
don't understand what's going
We have to
on.
confirm a few things, okay?
Like what? I don't understand. How you just gonna walk up on me out of nowhere and just tell me I'm banned and do nothing?
Okay. Sierra, we've told you we need to figure out what's going on. We're verifying a few things.
Sierra, me and my sister look just alike. Cause you get on the phone? Like what the fuck?
Okay. What is your sister's name?
Shanita.
Shanita. Okay. All right. Look at me for a second.
All right.
You don't mind.
We need you to look up, okay?
Why do I keep like I'm right here?
So the reason, if you can move your hair back, what we're trying to do is we're trying to.
I'm right here. I don't understand.
Okay.
My sister is Shanita. I'm Sierra. We look just alike. Like I don't understand what you guys are trying to do right now.
We're confirming it.
Listen, we're not yelling at you. Why are you yelling at us?
Yeah, because you guys give me a hard time. I just want to go home. Like
I'm trying to give you a hard time.
I saw this with my mom right now, and I don't know what's going on. Like
Well, we've explained a couple times. We're just trying to figure out because we're trying to see if there's some sort of issue with this. I'm gonna look at the picture.
there's not. I'm Sierra.
Okay.
I'm Sierra. What do I have to lie about? No, that's my sister.
Okay, so this video is chopped down, right? This whole interaction is a lot longer than what we actually see. But 6 minutes into the video, and she still keeps saying she doesn't understand what's going on. How many other ways do they gotta explain it to you? You're banned from all Walmarts, period. All Walmarts, which is pretty shitty. I mean, damn, who don't like Walmart? You know what I mean? You could get everything there, you know? If you need a PlayStation and you need some honey ham, you know? And if you need a 6-pack, you could go get a 6-pack. And then if you need a couple t-shirts, you could go get a t-shirt. You need a water gun, go pick up a water gun. You need a bicycle, go pick up a bike. You need Patti LaBelle's sweet potato pie. Who don't like Patti LaBelle's sweet potato pie? It'll bring a tear to your eye, okay? You can get that too. It's a Walmart exclusive. So yeah, you done messed up with Wally World and got banned from all Walmarts, man.
I can get on the phone. Like I'm on.
Okay.
I don't have to lie.
Okay. She's kind of personal.
That's my sister.
Okay.
That's my
She's
mom.
got-
Mom, can you show my mom?
Okay, so-
Did you show my mom? Like literally, that's my sister. How are y'all gonna just mix me up? That's my sister.
You think this one's good? All right. Can you lift your head up one more time? Pull your hair out of your face. Okay. Do you have a piercing?
No.
You have no piercing. Does your sister have a piercing? On
No,
your face?
no, my sister doesn't have a piercing. Neither one of us has piercings.
Have you ever had?
No, I've never had a piercing.
Okay. So why would your driver's license photo have a piercing then?
I don't know. I've never had a piercing before.
In your driver's license photo?
I never had a piercing. I put diamonds on my face to fake like a piercing, but I don't
Okay.
have a piercing.
Okay.
Like,
So that's
I don't have to lie. Like, what am I lying about? No, because this is unfair. I just came in a shop.
Okay.
I never met you
Okay.
before.
Okay.
It was a black guy that I met at there. I don't.
Right, she's actually got 2 warrants, one out of DuPage County, one out of Kane. The one out of DuPage is an ROR, the one out of Kane is no bond.
How do I have a warrant? Like,
All right. Real quick, if you could do me a favor, stand up.
how do I have a warrant?
I need you to stand up
How
real
do
quick.
I have a warrant?
Okay.
Are you sure you
Okay.
got the right name?
We're gonna go back to our PD.
Are you sure you have the right
Okay.
name? I don't understand.
Here, tell you what. At PD, we will triple check. How about
Exactly.
Thank you, my son.
Okay.
My son.
Quadruple check.
I understand.
What am I going for? I don't understand.
Why don't you do this? Why don't you take your purse off so that you don't get stuff with it on? And you just
Why though? Why am I doing this?
All right.
Why?
If you could please take your purse off.
Why? I don't understand. Why?
So again, we explained it to you. We'll explain it more at the PD. But for now, you can just take your purse off.
Why though? Where's my friend? Like why? I don't understand why.
All right, just put your hands on your back.
Why is that touching me?
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. I'm not trying to resist. I'm not.
Hey, listen. Put your hands. You're not listening.
I'm not resisting. I promise I'm not.
Hands behind your back.
Well, you got it wrong. You have it wrong. You have it all wrong. I think you have it wrong.
Stop.
I think you have it all wrong.
Okay, listen,
You have it wrong, I think.
you're not making us any
I think
easier.
you have it all
You're not
wrong.
making us any easier.
I think you have it wrong.
You need to stop or we're going to take you to the ground. Put your hands on your back now.
Take her to the ground.
Just
I think you have it wrong.
Okay, then we'll figure
Like-
it out.
Take her to the ground, like Chris Brown said. He said, "I'm gonna take you down." Yeah.
I think you have it wrong.
Put your hand behind your back. Just relax. Okay,
You're not cooperating now.
You're not
We're asking you to
cooperating. Okay,
put your
just-
hands on your back.
that's all right.
Okay?
Just don't get yourself all worked up.
don't
Just, okay,
understand.
just relax. We'll fix it when we go to the station. We're not gonna do that here.
I'm not resisting.
No, just
I
okay.
promise
Just
I'm not.
listen. Okay.
I'm not trying to resist you
Listen.
guys.
We know
I'm
you're
not.
emotional. Listen, you're emotional.
Yeah, you are.
Just it's okay. Breathe, and it's okay. We'll fix it when we get to the station. Take a breath, okay? It's okay. Take a breath. Take a breath. You're here. Just take a breath. Just take a breath. We'll get your phone.
I don't understand.
9 minutes in. She still don't understand.
I didn't do nothing wrong. I didn't do nothing.
Hey.
I didn't do shit, no. This shit is dead wrong. I didn't do shit. How y'all just gonna come up to me and just,
Okay.
this is wrong as fuck. How y'all just gonna do this?
Okay. Don't go away. Where's your cup?
Last one.
Okay. All right, there you do. Just don't go away.
I don't understand. Like, what is y'all doing this for? What is the warrant for? Like, what's going on?
We'll explain it all.
Well, you got two warrants.
I was going to get it situated. I just had to make it to my baby. That's all.
943.
All good? We're honest.
You follow
And you
me.
got to cut that bag off her.
Alrighty. If you could step out.
I'm sorry for all that back there, sir.
I appreciate that. Are we going to have any...
No.
Very cool?
Okay.
I was a little overwhelmed.
If we could go this way.
Nobody likes going to jail.
Yeah.
I get it.
The suspect was charged with criminal trespassing, retail theft, and obstructing justice. Leave a like.
Subscribe, let the 808 slide.